Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your account private on Meta Quest Oculus. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Meta Quest Oculus application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, use your Facebook or your Instagram account, or you can also proceed using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in order to make your profile private, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now from the menu page, tap on Settings. And from the settings page, you can scroll down and you will find privacy settings. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the private profile option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you can tap on the toggle which will enable private profile. Once you tap on this button, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to enable private profile, and once you confirm your choice, your account will be made private right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your account private on Meta Quest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.